thousands of stitches, tons of pressure, miles of tightly wound yarn, every seam stitched by hand, measured to microscopic accuracy, finished for professional cricket, one perfect sphere. This is how professional cricket balls are made. Every swing, every seam movement, and every dramatic wicket begins long before players step onto the field. A cricket ball may fit comfortably in the palm of your hand, yet it can decide the outcome of a World Cup final. Commodities. Hidden inside specialized factories, skilled craftsmen transform natural leather, Portuguese cork, tightly wound yarn. Some of the finest professional cricket balls are still made largely by hand, where a single craftsman may spend over an hour perfecting just one ball.
Today, we're taking you inside to discover how professional match cricket balls are made, from raw materials to the final quality inspection before they reach international stadiums. The story of the cricket ball stretches back more than 4 centuries. Early cricket, played in England during the 16th century, used simple leather-covered balls stuffed with wool.
As cricket evolved, manufacturers developed stronger leather coverings. The raised hand-stitched seam became an innovation. As cricket evolved, manufacturers developed stronger leather coverings. The raised hand-stitched seam became an innovation. By the late 1800s, manufacturers such as Duke's in England and later Kookaburra in Australia standardized production methods that are still respected today.
Modern cricket balls used in Test cricket remain remarkably traditional. Despite advances in manufacturing technology, the finals today professional cricket balls are used in international test matches, one-day internationals, T20 leagues, domestic tournaments, and elite training facilities worldwide.
Unlike most sports balls, a professional cricket ball changes throughout the game.
As bowlers deliver hundreds of overs, one side becomes polished while the other gradually roughens, creating differences in airflow. Each professional cricket ball must satisfy strict requirements regarding weight, diameter, roundness, hardness, compression, bounce, seam height, water resistance, and balance.
Even a weight difference of only a few grams can affect professional play. Because of these demanding standards, every cricket ball undergoes multiple inspections before leaving the factory.
Check the drum levels on line 3.
Already done. Everything is running smoothly. As you can see, the water quality parameters are well within the sustainable limits here.
Yes, the closed-loop system is performing optimally.
The first step is drying. Then, the cork is boiled in large stainless steel tanks to clean and prepare it. The laser scanners ensure perfect roundness within 0.005 of a millimeter. This modern computer-controlled winding system automatically adjusts rotational speed, reacting instantly to microscopic tension variations displayed on these screens.
Check the fiber alignment on the next batch. Looks good. The purity levels are high.
Although advanced machinery dominates much of the factory, one critical operation still depends on human craftsmanship.
Professional cricket balls are hand-stitched.
First, 4 molded leather cups are positioned around the wound core.
Skilled craftsmen begin stitching using heavy-duty waxed linen thread.
Each stitch is pulled with identical force to create the raised seam that defines professional cricket.
The raised central seam must remain perfectly straight.
Any deviation could alter swing characteristics or affect durability. After stitching is complete, the seam is compressed using polished steel rollers that lock every stitch securely into the leather. The facility employs state-of-the-art robotic sprayers and advanced filtration chambers, recovering excess dye and maintaining a pristine environment.
Before reaching professional players, every cricket ball undergoes rigorous testing. Digital precision scales verify weight. Laser measuring systems confirm diameter.
Symmetry confirmed. All parameters are nominal. Excellent. Proceed with the stress test.
Compression machines simulate repeated impacts. High-speed bounce testing evaluates energy return. Specialized seam inspection cameras examine stitch uniformity at microscopic levels.
Some manufacturers even fire cricket balls against hardened steel plates using pneumatic launch systems to verify durability under extreme conditions.
After rigorous inspection, the balls are seamlessly transferred by robotic arms for final packaging. Advanced robotic palletizing ensures the flawless and precise stacking of premium cricket balls within the modern supply chain. From sustainably harvested cork forests in Portugal to premium European leather, from thousands of tightly From sustainably harvested cork forests in Portugal to premium European leather, from thousands of tightly wound ubalias. What appears to be a simple leather ball is actually the result of dozens of carefully controlled manufacturing stages. Econovas. What appears to be a simple leather ball is actually the result of dozens of carefully controlled manufacturing stages. The next time a fast bowler swings a delivery through the air or a batter drives the ball to the boundary, remember the remarkable journey that made that moment possible.
Every seam, every stitch, every bounce began here, inside the cricket ball factory.